Good morning, my dear children. I hope you are good and healthy at your home. Welcome to Vardman e-learnings. In previous video, we have done in chapter 5th, why do we need clothes, and the people wear clothes in different category. Clothes according to the age we have to done in previous video, and next clothes according to traditional places we have done in previous video. Right now I am starting द क्लोथ्स अकॉर्डिंग टू सीजन्स, मौसम के हिसाब से कपड़े कैसे पहनते हैं. मेनली दे आर थ्री सीजन्स. मेनली द मेन दे आर थ्री सीजन्स. द फर्स्ट इज समर सीजन्स. समर सीजन दैट मीन्स गर्मी का मौसम. इट इज़ वेरी हॉट इन समर. समर में हमें बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी लगती है. राइट नाउ इज ऑल्सो अ समर सीजन. People prefer to wear light and loose clothes. In summer season, people mostly wear light colors of clothes and very comfortable and loose clothes in summer seasons. There were cotton clothes. और कैसे clothes होते हैं? Mostly cotton clothes, because cotton clothes absorb sweat and we feel very comfortable in summer season. Now the clothes absorb sweat and keep the body cool. Because we wear cotton cloth to absorb sweat and keep the body cool. In summer season, summer is very hot. People prefer to wear light and loose cloth. They wear cotton clothes. The clothes absorb sweat and keep the body cool. The next one is the rainy season. Rainy season is all about the season in which rain comes, go and there. In rainy seasons, people prefer to wear such clothes which are waterproof. Rainy season में people कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? लोग ऐसे waterproof, जिसके ऊपर पानी बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहे, ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हैं ह्यूमन बींग्स. पीपल वियर रेन कोट्स. लाइक क्या क्या पहनते हैं? रेन कोट्स, गम बूट्स. द गम बूट्स विच आर मेड फ्रॉम लेदर एंड वी वॉक इजीली ऑन द रोड wearing the gum boots to keep themselves dry in the rain. People wear raincoats and gum boots to keep themselves dry in the rainy season. Next, the third one is winter season. And all are given in the book, page number 33. The third season is winter season. In this season, it is very cold in winter. It is very cold in winter. विंटर में हमें क्या लगती है? ठंड. इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड इन विंटर. पीपल wear such clothes which keep their body warm. In winter season, people wear clothes in which their body keep warm. विंटर सीजन में लोग ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हैं जिनसे उनकी बॉडी में गर्मी या उनको प्रोटेक्ट कर सके विंटर से. They wear woolen clothes during winter. Human beings wear woolen clothes in the winter. Here the question also put Which clothes we wear in the winter? Woolen clothes we wear in the winter. The next category of the cloth is cloth according to occupation. यानी व्यवसाय के अकॉर्डिंग कैसे कैसे क्लोथ्स होते हैं. People who do special job wear different clothes. These clothes are called uniform. Uniform is the mark of their identifications. We find the doctor who wear the coat and have the Aristophanes is known as the doctor. Here a book, here in your book, here is a doctor who wear the doctor dress. Here is a nurse who wear the nurse cloth. Here is a soldier who wear the soldier's uniform. Here is a postman who wear the khaki dress like postman. Here is a lawyer who wear a black long coat is known as the lawyer. Here is the policeman. The next is the cloth according to the occasions. You know about the occasions is the अवसर यानी होली, दिवाली, weddings and parties. Like we wear colorful traditional dress on special occasion like wedding, second of festivals, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas. In we wear colorful traditional dresses. We wear formal clothes in parties. We wear formal clothes in parties. जब हम किसी पार्टीज में जाते हैं तब फॉर्मल यानी डिसेंट कपड़े पहन के जाते हैं. नाउ फ्रॉम हाउ क्लोथ्स आर मेड. द न्यू टॉपिक इज हाउ क्लोथ्स आर made. Now we done categorize of the cloth. Here how do we make cloth? कपड़े कैसे बनते हैं? How clothes are made. How clothes are made. How clothes are made. Clothes are made from the thin thread called fiber. Clothes are made from thin यानी पतला thread धागा from are called जिसे हम क्या बोलते हैं फाइबर. we known as fibers. These fiber are natural as well as man made. कुछ कुछ फाइबर्स जो होते हैं वो नेचुरल फाइबर्स होते हैं और कुछ कुछ क्या होते हैं मैन मेड यानी ह्यूमन बींग्स बनाते हैं. Fibers are naturally natural as well as man-made. Natural as man-made. कुछ फाइबर नेचुरल्स होते हैं, कुछ फाइबर मैन्स यानी ह्यूमन बींग्स खुद बनाते हैं. लेट अस लर्न अबाउट द सोर्स ऑफ फाइबर. राइट नाउ वी लर्न अबाउट द सोर्स ऑफ फाइबर यानी अपन फाइबर कहाँ से लाएंगे. हमको ये तो पता पड़ चल गया कि क्लोथ किससे बनते हैं, फाइबर से. अभी हमको क्या जानेंगे कि फाइबर्स हम कहाँ से लाते हैं. तो source of fibers, right now sources of fiber. First cotton. Here I write cotton is a natural fiber. The first fiber is the cotton fiber. Cotton is natural fiber. Cotton क्या है? Natural fiber है. We get cotton from cotton plant. हमको cotton कहाँ से मिलता है? Cotton plant से. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Okay? Cotton is made into thread by machines, and these threads are woven into cloth. Here the some process of making the cotton. The process of making cotton, which were given in your book with the picture. Here you see the book. Here is the cotton plant. First we take cotton plant. Cotton take from cotton plant, then converted into thread. फिर हम उसको कितने क्या बनाएंगे? उसके धागे. Converted into thread. Then we loom. With the help of this machine, we loom the thread. Then the fiber is ready. The cloth is ready. Here is the process of making cotton from cloth. Okay. The next fiber is wool. Here I done the cotton, and the next is the source of fiber is the wool. Cotton cloth we wear in the summer, and woolen cloth we wear in the winter. Here we prepare the wool. The second one is fiber is the wool. Wool is also a natural fiber. We get wool from sheep, camel and another similar animal. wool क्या है? वो भी क्या है? एक natural fiber. Wool is also a natural fabs. We get wool from sheep is an animal, camel is also an animal, and other similar animals. It also a natural fiber. The wool is cut, cleansed, washed and dry. It is then spun into threads. The threads are getting into woolen clothes like sweaters, socks. wool को हम कैसे लाएंगे? First, the wool is cut. उसको क्या करेंगे? Cut. फिर उसके क्या बनाएंगे? उसको cleaned, यानी इसको साफ करेंगे, यानी washed, then washed and उसे फिर सुखाएंगे, then dried. First we cut the wool, then cleaned, then washed, then dried. After it is then spun, यानी जब ये सूख जाता है इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं? कन्वर्टेड इनटू थ्रेड. उसको किस में बना देंगे? थ्रेड में. Then the threads are getting into woolen clothes. और वो क्लोथ्स थ्रेड को एक वुलन क्लोथ में बना सकते हैं, जैसे स्वेटर, सॉक्स, etc. Okay. We wear woolen cloth in winter season. Woolen is a natural fiber. We get wool from sheep, camel and other similar animals. The wool is cut, cleansed, washed and dry and converted into the thread. We make from wool sweater and socks.